Hey there! Welcome back to HZ channel. Today, we're diving into something that can change your life. How to talk to anyone and impress them. With just 5 simple communication tricks. Tip number 1. The power of listening. The power of listening. It sounds simple, but active listening is a game changer. Show genuine interest in what the other person is saying. Nod, maintain eye contact, and give feedback like, I see, or that's interesting. This makes people feel valued and heard. Tip number 2. Ask open-ended questions. Ask open-ended questions. Instead of questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no, ask questions that encourage detailed responses. For example, what inspired you to start your business? This keeps the conversation flowing and shows you're genuinely interested. Tip number 3. Mirroring. This psychological trick involves subtly mimicking the other person's body language. It creates a sense of connection and makes them feel more comfortable around you. Just don't overdo it, keep it natural. Tip number 4. Share stories. Personal stories make you relatable and memorable. And finally, tip number 5. Compliments and positivity.